So for number 4, you can tell the transformation is moving to the left 4 units and down 3 units. And you can also tell the restriction right away, which is x cannot equal to -4. Okay, so that coincides with the, yeah, that's a 4. So that's how we say, all right, yeah, the whole graph shifted to the left 4 units. So left 4 units and down 3 units. And that means our horizontal asymptote will now be at y equals to 3. So horizontal asymptote is y equals to 3. The vertical asymptote is x equals to -4. All right. And we may now go ahead and draw the nice dots right next to the center of rotational symmetry. And speaking of which, the center of rotational symmetry would be -4, comma, -3. Now we are going to cross the x and y axis. So let's go ahead and find out the y intercept first. That's easy. What would that be? So you have a 1 over 0 plus 4 minus 3, which is 1/4 minus 3, and that would be -2 3/4. So -2 3/4. So somewhere like right here, just anywhere close to it, I would take it. And for the x-intercept, we have to set the y equal to 0. So you add the 3 over. Oh, by the way, how many of you taking the SAT on Wednesday? For juniors. Now, let me teach you one critical skill. Now, there's always one question that requires you to rearrange the equation. Now, you may multiply x plus 4 on both sides, but that's slow. What you can do, you can just swap them. Okay, now the reason why you can swap them is because if you multiply x plus 4 on both sides, you have 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 1. Then you go ahead and divide it by 3. That's what happens. Okay, that's what happens. And then you would do x equals to 1/3 minus 4. So x is equal to -3 2/3. So -3 2/3 will be somewhere right here. And that's how you will finish your graph. And the domain would be anything from -infinity to -4. And the range would be from -infinity to -3. And -3 to infinity. Okay.